Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn correct pronunciation of 40 common words. So let's get started. So I am going to be telling you the wrong pronunciation first and then the correct way to pronouncing the word. So the first word is vitamin and the correct pronunciation is vitamin or vitamin. Let's see the example. And the sentence is vitamins are very essential. The next word is plumber and the correct pronunciation is plumber. B is silent in this word. Let's see the example. The plumber repaired the pipe. And the next word is receipt and the correct pronunciation is receipt, not receipt. Let's see the example. Please give him his receipt. Okay, so the next word is cucumber. And the correct pronunciation is cucumber, not cucumber, it's cucumber. And the example is, she made a sandwich using cucumber. So the next word is pizza and the correct pronunciation is pizza. It's not pizza, it's pizza. And the example is, they are going to eat pizza. The next word is calcium and the correct pronunciation is calcium, not calcium, it's calcium. Let's see the sentence. And the example is, calcium is a very important mineral. And the next word is pronunciation. And the correct word is pronunciation. It's not pronunciation or pronunciation, it's pronunciation. Let's see the example. She is learning pronunciation. The next word is restaurant. And the correct pronunciation is restaurant. It's not restaurant, it's restaurant. Let's see the example. People are having food in the restaurant. The next word is Wednesday. And the correct pronunciation is Wednesday. It's not Wednesday, it's Wednesday. Let's see the example. The shop will be closed on Wednesday. And the next word is bowl. B-O-W-L, bowl. And the correct pronunciation is bowl. It's not bowl, it's bowl. And the example is, please wash the salad bowl. The next word is climb. And the correct pronunciation is climb. B is silent here, so it's not climb, it's climb. Let's see the example. They used to climb trees. The next word is technician. And the correct pronunciation is technician. It's not technician, it's technician. And the sentence is, he became a technician. And the next word is photography. And the correct pronunciation is photography. Not photography, it's photography. And the example is, photography is their hobby. And the next word is thumb. T-H-U-M-B, thumb. And the correct pronunciation is thumb. B is silent here, so it's not thumb, it's thumb. Let's see the next word, desert. And the correct pronunciation is dessert. It's not desert, it's dessert. Let's see the example. And the example is, this dessert is easy to make. Let's see the next word. The next word is vegetable. And the correct pronunciation is vegetable. It's not vegetable, it's vegetable. Let's see the example. And the example is, it's a root vegetable. Let's see the next word. The next word is iron. And the correct pronunciation is iron. It's not iron, it's iron. Let's see the example. And the example is, iron is an essential mineral. Let's see the next word. The next word is carrier. And the correct pronunciation is career. It's not carrier, it's career. Let's see the example. And the example is, he bought a career guidance book. The next word is coupon. And the correct pronunciation is coupon. It's not coupon, it's coupon. Let's understand it through example. And the sentence is, the shopkeeper told me to bring this coupon for 10% discount. Let's see the next word. So the next word is bicycle and the correct pronunciation is bicycle. It's not bicycle, it's bicycle. Let's see the example. And the sentence is they are riding bicycle. Let's see the next word. And the next word is breakfast and the correct pronunciation is breakfast. It's not breakfast, it's breakfast. Let's see the example. They are having their breakfast. So these were 20 common words. Let's see some other words. And the first word is almond and the correct pronunciation is almond. It's not almond, it's almond. L is silent here. The next word is tomato and the correct pronunciation is tomato or tomato. It's not tomato, it's tomato or either tomato. The next word is choreographer and the correct pronunciation is choreographer. It's not choreographer, it's choreographer. The next word is elite, E-L-I-T-E, elite, and the correct pronunciation is elite. It's not elite, it's elite. The next word is government and the correct pronunciation is government, not government, it's government. The next word is worm, W-O-R-M, worm, and the correct pronunciation is worm. It's not worm, it's worm. The next word is comfortable and the correct pronunciation is comfortable. It's not comfortable, it's comfortable. The next word is conversation and the correct pronunciation is conversation. It's not conversation, it's conversation. The next word is jewelry and the correct pronunciation is jewelry. It's not jewelry, it's jewelry. The next word is broccoli and the correct pronunciation is broccoli. It's not broccoli, it's broccoli. The next word is mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is a very common word and the correct pronunciation is mayonnaise. It's not mayonnaise, it's mayonnaise. The next word is squirrel and the correct pronunciation is squirrel. It's not squirrel, it's squirrel. The next word is accessory and the correct pronunciation is accessory. It's not accessory, it's accessory. The next word is oven and the correct pronunciation is oven. It's not oven, it's oven. Let's see the next word. February and the correct pronunciation is February. It's not February, it's February. Let's see the next word. Engineer and the correct pronunciation is engineer. It's not engineer, it's engineer. Let's see the next word. Vanilla and the correct pronunciation is vanilla. It's not vanilla, it's vanilla. And the next word is often and the correct pronunciation is often. O-F-T-E-N, often. It's not often because T is silent here. The next word is woman, W-O-M-E-N, woman, and the correct pronunciation is women. It's not woman, it's women. And the next word is sandwich and the correct pronunciation is sandwich. It's not sandwich, it's sandwich because D is silent here. Let's see the next word. Apron, A-P-R-O-N, apron, and the correct word is apron. It's not apron, it's apron. And the last word is cupboard, C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D, cupboard, and the correct pronunciation is cupboard. It's not cupboard, it's cupboard. So friends, these were 40 wrongly pronounced words. So I hope you all found this video useful. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching the video.